Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng ating SMAC app or ang ating SM Advantage Card app. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Google Play Store sa ating Android phone. So open lang natin guys. And dito, pumunta lang tayo sa search bar or itap natin yung search. Then search natin is yung SMAC app. So search lang natin guys, and ganito yung piliin ninyo. And dito, kung hindi pa updated yung inyong SMAC app or yung SMAC and Shop, update yung nakalagay dito guys. Pero kung updated na yan, open na lang yung nakalagay. So since nga hindi pa to updated, tap natin yung update and wait natin hanggang sa matapos ma-download. So, ayan guys, after ma-install, tap natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakang application. And dito guys, ilalagin lang natin yung account sa ating SMAC. So, login. And ayan guys, nakapag-login ako ng account dito sa aking SMAC app. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple paano nga ba mag-update ng SMAC and Shop app dito sa ating mobile phone. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.